Hello, thank you for tuning in today. My name is Cody, and today we'll be discussing the process of customizing your Construction Online estimating views. Now, to begin today, we will have to access a project and that project's estimate. So I'm going to choose a project from my left-hand navigation bar. This one will do just fine. Once that loads, we'll click into the Financials tab across the top, and my Estimating tab will pop up first. Now, once your estimating tab loads, you will be able to find your column views across the top of the estimate on the right-hand side. And that column view option has a drop-down that includes 5 different customizable column views. That is the budget, the simple estimate, the advanced estimate, the job costing, and the invoicing. Now, these by default are going to have common column headers that you would need for those different actions. So, like your advanced estimate is going to show majority of the column headers that we have in Construction Online, whereas like your job costing column header is going to show more of your committed cost columns, your actual columns, and your invoicing columns. Now, to customize a column view, you'll just want to click on it. That one will be the one that loads in. And then to change the column headers, you'll just right click on those, show hide columns, and you'll see that the default columns for the advanced estimate view are highlighted green. The ones that aren't normally turned on by default in that one aren't highlighted at all. But if I need access to, let's say, QuickBooks Actuals, I can just check that off, close this out, and now that one will be added to my column header view, defaults for the advanced estimate. Now, I will mention that there are different amounts of column headers that will display depending on where we're at in the estimate. If you're in the project totals, less of the column headers will show at the project total level, whereas if I go into an actual category and click on it, I will have a lot more options to turn on and off. Now, I will mention that these are user specific, so if you change a column header, for your account, it's not going to adjust for another user in the company. Also, these are saved from project to project. So if I set my advanced estimate headers to look different on this project and I go to a different project estimate, I don't have to worry about resetting my column headers. Now, if you ever make changes to a column header setting, so let's say the budgeting one, I make major changes to it, and I decide I want to go back to what it originally was when I first started. I can right click on those column headers, show hide columns, and you can see I can restore defaults for the budget column header view. Now that concludes today's tutorial. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out using the live chat or by searching the knowledge base. And as always, have a fantastic day.